Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Friday 24th of June. Have a nice blessed Friday. Now this is normally not the timing for Bitcoin updates, but I think I really need to bring in the Bitcoin update right now because we've done something that I was actually looking forward to, and that's sweet. That's absolutely sweet. And this is incredible. This is hugely incredible. Can you just look for yourself what you're doing for Bitcoin here? So you do have one touch resistance, second touch resistance, third one right over there. And this is like pretty much for the very first time you're really about to close in the next 41 minutes right in your ticker. And I actually am gonna be a little bit of a confirmation bias. It's not confirmed, but I'm actually gonna just give you my guesses that this is it. This is the final answer. You've already got it and you're looking to go to the upside. The alts are giving you the hints. BNB is giving you the hint. Matic is giving you the hint. Solana is looking to go to $44. Matic is looking to go to $0.6. Altcoins are giving you the hints by moving up like this. Right now, the only thing that can actually stop it from going to the upside is Bitcoin coming down to 20,160. If it does come to 20,160, which is going to be like a downfall for like 4 to 5%, then that really means that Bitcoin is once again not going to be interested to go up, and this is going to be a fake out, and I'm pretty sure that's the weekend dump coming in. But I highly doubt the weekend dump. The reason is the fierce buyers. Man, the buyers are so fierce right now. They're not letting the prices go down. They're not letting the prices, and they're not giving up to the bears. They're really not giving up to the bears. And I'm going to tell you why. Now, look at this. You went up, and right at the resistance, I actually want to go into the details of why Bitcoin is looking so super good right now. And this actually also means that, you're not really going to dump Bitcoin on a weekend for the very first time in a long time, and we're gonna get into the root of that reason and why we're not gonna dump during the weekends. So so here we are, and I'm gonna go into the Google right now and look at this bearish mat hold, and this got invalidated. When you see a bearish pattern like this getting invalidated, that means the buyers are fierce. So 1, 2, 3 green candles and a red candle. So if I do zoom in there for you, look at this one. What did you put? 1, 2, 3 green candles, red candle, a little bit of a bearish mat hold right there, but you still went on and broke it. You went on and broke that level. Now this actually does really tell me that actually gives me the biggest hint Bitcoin is looking to go to the upside. Another thing, if I dive into the smaller, tiny time frames like the 15 minutes, you can already see right now that even this one here, for the very first time, you have actually bounced off the resistance, which you never really did before. So if I actually zoom out like this, now look here. I'm just gonna zoom in there so that I can show you clearly, just like that. Okay, so back in 14 June, today's 24, you broke it out, you never bounced off, and you never bounced off back. Okay, after the breakout you actually went inside, got trapped, and then you went to the downside. Number one. Number two is this breakout here. You really broke it out, you actually did make a little bit of a bounce, and then you went into the inside. Now this is the problem with smaller time frames. They're actually not sustainable that much, but okay, that was a fake out. And right now the next breakout, where did it happen? So coming in here, this is the next breakout. So it wasn't a good breakout, made a fake out, and then we went to the downside. Breakout, fake out, went to the downside. But this is the reason why I'm not really trading 15 minutes time frame. They're not so sustainable. But this is so different, guys. This is so different. It's like for the first time you're breaking it out and you're coming up. And if we want to trade the 15 minutes time frame, which I normally don't really do that much, but we're still getting the hints in the smaller time frames, is that this was just resistance, and now it's probably turning into support. And not only that, you invalidated bearish mat, You have invalidated another bearish pattern, which is actually a tweezer top. So if I show you that this 15 minutes tweezer top, you did invalidate it. So buyers are now fierce. Okay, buyers are now fierce. Buyers are really strong right now, and it is what it is. So look at this tweezer top right there. This is meant to be a downtrend, green candle and a red candle next to it, and that's exactly what Bitcoin really had. You see, green candle and the red candle, you were supposed to actually go down, but you actually broke it. You are bullish now for Bitcoin, and the next technical target for Bitcoin is definitely now going to be $25,000 without any doubt, unless you don't really come down here. Honestly, I think if you really come down to $20,168, that's the end of Bitcoin. That's the end of it, and you're not gonna go actually up, and that weekend dump is gonna happen for sure. So for me, guys, the technical target is $25,700. So bring it on, baby. The fire is on, everything is on, the game is on. And one more thing is, if I dive into the daily, look at the daily time frame as well. The buyers are fierce. You are about to actually break the shooting star as well, which is at 21,716. So this is gonna be even way more of a solid sign right now that you're about to move to the upside. On the daily, the stops actually looks way more better here at $19,787. So if you really want to give your trade a big breathing room right now, then I think 19,787 is going to be the best stop loss heading forward, because you can already see these are the bullish candlesticks printing right now. So you do have some sort of a bullish engulfing candlestick right now, and that's indicating that the green, you can see the buyers are still winning on the daily. They won against the sellers with this red candle right over here. So that's why I say, if you ever see the red candle coming down here, it's a clear indicator that the sellers now have been interested to push the prices down, and it's not gonna go up. It's not gonna go up, it's gonna go down. But for now, the views is up, and then again it just goes on with the saying, with the good old popular saying that I actually bring in the channel: as long as you're holding support the coin. Right now you have all the reasons in the world to support the coin. You're above the support the coin. If it does come down, fall into resistance, do not support the damn coin. Okay, run away. Take the loss, take the small loss, prevent bigger losses. And that's just how the name of the game really is. Now, coming into the weekly, I will be interested to see if Bitcoin in the next 3 days, is it gonna actually come up here to nearly $26,000? And that would actually mean the weekly, you're gonna be maybe if you do make it up here to $26,000 in the next 3 days, it could be the end of the dump, and this could be your bottom. 17,000 could be your bottom, and then you start to reverse to the upside. Yeah, it can happen. And that's it for this update on Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. And the signal, we still have 6 more days to close the signal. If you really want to know live updates and live insights into the market and what's happening, sometimes you wonder, the signal is the place to be. So 6 more days to close for July entry, and that's it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.